Do you need English for your job? Do you want to do a business-related diploma or certificate? Do you want to prepare for the Cambridge LinguaSkill test? Do you want to go beyond street English? Do you want more confidence and learn new skills? Do you want a new but fun challenge? Kickstart your business career and job life here in Australia by studying English for Business. English for Business is aimed at intermediate and upper intermediate level students. It is a closed course with 3 different modules. Each module is 4 weeks. You can study 4, 8, or 12 weeks of English for Business. The 3 modules you can study are Administration and Customer Service, Marketing and Sales, and Management and Human Resources. To help you with your speaking, you will do role plays, presentations, and learn and use business-related vocabulary. In terms of writing, you will practice all different kinds of business correspondence, such as formal emails or cover letters. You will improve your listening through podcasts, interview practice, reports, and documentaries. You will also read authentic business-related documents, such as articles, reports, and case studies. English for Business has weekly practice of all skills, plus extra useful skills for everyday life. This course is also ideal preparation for future business and management students in a vocational course. Another benefit of English for Business is that it will help you prepare for the Cambridge LinguaSkill Business Test. This is a Cambridge online test that you can do at home and receive an official Cambridge certificate. LinguaSkill tests English used in a business setting and is most suitable for students who intend to join the corporate world. Test topics include the buying and selling of products and services, the office, business travel, and human resources. This test is ideal for English for Business students who would like to assess their level of knowledge of business English and who would like to join organisations that require a report stating their English level according to CEFR. For students who complete all 3 modules, 12 weeks of English for Business, Greenwich offers a special discount on the LinguaSkill Business Test. The test only costs $150. Best of all, the test is done online and at your home, and you receive your results in 24 hours. Just a few more things. English for Business has the same timetable as all our other classes. For daytime, you will study Monday to Thursday, 9 a.m. until 3 p.m. For evening, you study Monday to Friday, 4:30 p.m. until 9 p.m. Remember, this is a closed course, so no holidays or timetable changes.